In this section we will look at finding the tangent to a circle parallel or perpendicular to a given line, and it's useful to remember two pieces here from our coordinate geometry. If we have a line ax plus by plus c equals 0, then a line parallel to that line will be ax plus by plus k equals 0. And if we have a line ax plus by plus c equals 0, then a line perpendicular to that will have the equation bx minus ay plus k equals 0. In this example, we're given the equation of a circle, and we want to find the equation of the tangents to the circle that are perpendicular to this given line. So first of all, we'll have a look at a diagram. Now in this diagram we can see the circle x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 4y plus 7 equals 0, and we can very quickly see that that has a centre 4 minus 2 and has the radius of square root 13, and those two pieces of information make it just easy to draw a fairly accurate diagram. We also have the line here 2x plus 3y equals 6, and the question asks us to find the equations of these two tangents, because these are the lines that are tangent to the circle but are also perpendicular to this given line. Now we know that any line that is perpendicular to the line 2x plus 3y minus 6 equals 0 will be, of course, minus 3x plus 2y plus c equals 0. And we also know that the distance from the centre of the circle to the tangent is equal to the radius of the circle. This means that if we go from the point 4 minus 2 to this line, the tangent minus 3x plus 2y plus c equals 0, then that distance is the square root of 13. So we'll use our perpendicular distance formula. And we know that has to give us the square root of 13. So filling that in, we have minus 3 times 4 plus 2 times minus 2 plus c all over the square root of 9 plus 4 must give us the square root of 13. So we have put the perpendicular distance from this point to this line is equal to the square root of 13 into the perpendicular distance formula. Continuing on, working out that top line, we get the square root, or sorry, the absolute value of minus 16 plus c over the square root of 13 equals root 13. Multiplying both sides by root 13, we have the absolute value of minus 16 plus c equals 13, and that means that minus 16 plus c is equal to 13, or minus 16 plus c is equal to minus 13 because of the absolute value sign. And just solving for c then is equal to either 29 or c is equal to 3. And we then just plug that back into our original equation for the tangent, which was this one here, minus 3x plus 2y plus c equals 0. And we just plug that in, and then we can just say, therefore, that the tangents are either minus 3x plus 2y plus 29 equals 0, or the second tangent is minus 3x plus 2y plus 3 equals 0. And they're the two lines that we actually have drawn into that diagram there.